Hey, what's up, Peters R guys? It's your favorite Marvel Trio here, YKSD Goblet Guest,
Granny!
Chewy.
and we are the Marvel Slumber Squaders. In today's video, Marvel Entertainment released another trailer. They'll be releasing, I think, medyo proven na siya, no? Every Wednesday, once a week, no? Sila nagre-release ng bagong trailer. Hindi pa naman ako so far na spoil. Granny was the one who notified us, no, na Marvel Entertainment just released one and medyo na-spoil siya prior to this Google Meet. Ako, I have no idea. Ever since nag-notif siya sa akin this morning, I avoided YouTube and all that. I am completely safe. I am unaware what we'll be watching. Am I excited? Yep, of course. Mysterious siya eh. So, nandun yung thrill. How about you guys? Let's start off with Granny.
Ayun, last minute. I mean, it's not really a spoiler kasi, it's the thumbnail. Pero, traditionally tayo alam niyo naman, spoiler na siya for us eh. But, yeah, I'm pretty excited. Hopefully, it's gonna be the same as the third trailer. Siyempre, nasa thumbnail na yung isa sa mga characters. Sana ito, more than kung ano man yung pinakita nila sa thumbnail. So, yun lang naman. I think ito na yung last nila. As far as I remember sa research ko, 4 lang nila i-release. So, this will probably be the last. Dapat maganda to. Pero I think medyo ilolower ko pa rin yung expectations ko.
Chewy?
Nung sinabi ni Granny na parang ito na yung last na ilalabas nila, medyo tumaas yung expectations ko kasi
Okay.
last na eh. So I hope na they're ending with the bang, ganon, na parang ito na talaga, mas ma-hype na tayo.
Mas hype na ako for it.
Okay.
Yun.
Same. Medyo na-hype din ako, no? It's over, it's talaga ni Granny. Alright, so, I don't know. Without further ado, let's dive in ba? In 3, 2, 1? Let's dive in.
Okay, it's like a void.
Alright,
Is
let's
this a
go.
void?
Is this Battle World?
Oh! Ooh! Oh!
Obviously, if you want
Okay.
Shuri?
this to me,
It's fucking Black Panther. Ano name nito?
Ooh!
Oh!
Oh my God, the
Mickey
name
has
charge.
his duties
Talokan.
to prepare our people.
Oh my God, bro.
Namor, let's go!
Oh, the
May
suit
ayan
of
na sila.
Namor.
Oh my God! Let's
Bakit?
go.
Here's my
Okay, sige.
Wow. Interesting.
Mbaku of Wakanda.
Oh my God, hindi siya. Okay, siya na.
Then,
Oh!
use its strength
Oh
to
my
roll
God.
right.
What the
Oh my God. Whoa! No.
That's it?
No.
Oh, come on.
What the heck?
Why? Why are you... Oh my God. Okay.
Oh, Oh my God, ang lala.
Wow.
Okay. Bitin.
Oh, shucks.
All right, guys. So there we have it with Avengers Doomsday teaser trailer. Okay. I mean, it is a teaser trailer, guys. Pero it is better than what we got initially pa rin. Panalo pa rin si X-Men trailer. Pero still, this was somewhat exciting pa rin. I did like the characters we see in this trailer. Starting off with Chewie. What are your thoughts with this video?
Nashock ako kasi hindi ko yata in-expect na magsasama sila agad. Yung Wakandans tsaka si Fantastic Four. Hindi ko alam bakit sila yung pinagsama una. Expect ko parang baka sila Thunderbolts muna. So, nashock ako dun. Parang, oo nga no, ang tagal na natin. Well, ako, ang tagal ko nang hindi masyadong nakakarinig sa kanila from yung last na nilabas nila. So, mas malaki yung shock ko dito or yung, oo nga, yung ganong thought.
In my case, na-excite naman ako honestly nung na-reveal especially si Namor. Because I did remember, I do remember him having some real life issues din eh. So, siguro medyo nag-alangan ako sa actor ni Namor if magtutuloy ba or re-recast again. But thankfully, we see him back. I like the actor, by the way. If meron ngang real life issue siya, not really familiar with it, pero I'm thankful na they are not recasting him as bad as what happened kay Kang, no? Kay Jonathan Majors. Also, sa sinabi ni Chiwi, was not expecting Fantastic Four to have a meet up with the Wakandans first, no? I guess this happens upon their landing sa Earth 616. Daming kakaibang details there, ah. Umbaku being king of Wakanda, and of course yung Talocan resurfacing itself from the seas, I guess, because we are seeing these Aztec pyramids in the background of Namor. So are we actually seeing Namor sa land? No, yung empire niya, the Talocan Empire in the land of the humans. So yeah. Granny?
Same, yun yung mga nakakagulot na info. Parang wala sila sa sa baba, wala sila sa seas. Nasa taas sila, parang deserted Parang desert talaga eh. Ako happy ako makita si Black, ano nga name ni Black
Parang
Shuri?
kapatid niya,
Shuri.
no?
Si Shuri. Parang feel ko mas matured siya dito.
Yeah.
Ang ganda ng dating niya.
Yeah.
And also, hindi pala ito yung na-spoil ako kasi akala ko si Riri Williams kasi
Ay!
mabilis ako pag nakikita ko na yung spoiler, gaganon ako agad. So, ang na-scan ko si Riri. So,
Kaya.
di ko alam if yun, pero, ayun. So, hindi
It's
naman,
not,
pero,
it's not racist, guys. It's not racist.
pero yun, I would say actually na-spoil na nga ako dito. Medyo may alam na, nakita ko na to, may mga nagpo-post kasi ng
May parang
screenshots.
advance makanood ng teaser trailers
nakita ko na to, yung tatlong yan nakita ko na. So parang happy ako. Nagandahan naman ako sa trailer, ang ganda nung dating. Pero I would agree, mas na-hype ako nung X-Men. Okay sa akin yung characters na to na babalik. Si Namor yan. Gusto ko yung actor na Namor. I hope maganda yung maging writing sa kanila dito. Kasi medyo disappointing yung naging ending nung for me Wakanda Forever personally. So, sana mabawi nila dito.
Ako din talaga, na-excite ako sa with the fact na ito kasi yung hinahanap ko ever since sa trailers ng Doomsday. Them showing us yung multiversal characters naman, 'di ba?
Yeah,
Tapos tayo yung
Yeah.
existing MCU multiversal characters. So, which would be in this case Namor. So, na-excite ako for Namor. I would consider Shuri na din as part of the multiversal era na rin kasi dun lang naman siya naging, this is a different Shuri It's a Black Panther Shuri. So, as mentioned, M'Baku being the king of Wakanda, no? Did he become the king of Wakanda by the end of Wakanda Forever?
Oo, siya. 'Di ba
Siya
binitawan
nga ba?
ni Shuri?
Oo nga
Oo,
pala.
Ang last na nangyari is yung tradition nila sa Falls. Hindi si Shuri yung lumabas, si M'Baku yung lumabas.
Oh, yes. Okay. Continuity is
Parang
there.
ganun
So,
ata.
I like it. But I was shocked na Shuri is still holding the Black Panther mantle. So, I was expecting we're gonna see a new Black Panther sana. Let's see if lalabas na ba yung anak ni T'Challa. No, the new T'Challa, no? T'Challa Jr.
Akala ko nga nasa Void sila or something.
Yeah, I thought it
Pero
was already
hindi ko
Battleworld,
alam.
actually.
Hindi ko alam saan yan. Yan yung
I thought it was
Medyo
Battleworld,
weird.
pero I feel like it is, it is Talocan's Empire
Alam mo, may feel ko, yan talaga, ocean yan dati.
Okay.
What do you guys think? Na, I don't know, maybe si Dr. Doom, maybe nawala yung water. Baka nga Battle World yan. Kasi nilipat na yung, nawala yung water. I don't know.
Maybe. Could be. Interesting yung location nila, no?
Okay.
Interesting as well yung intentions na naman ni Namor. Of course, Namor still has bad intentions pagdating sa humans, no? People above. As you can see here, no? He was sitting in his throne, parang looking very villainous for me. So, we'll see. Ano ba talagang plans
Speaking
ni
of
Namor
look,
here?
tama yung mga theory ng mga tao before kasi may narinig akong theory na 'di ba nasunog yung katawan niya? Parang dahil doon susuotin na niya yung
Black.
yung isa niyang classic costume na black.
Yeah, the
Mukhang
black.
na ganun siya eh.
Yeah, mukha nga.
Yeah.
Naka-black siya.
Ang ganun
yung
siya ngayon.
vest.
So, ang angas naman na itsura niya ngayon.
Also, si Namora is there.
Oh yeah, si Namora nga. Oo.
Na-crush mo, if I remember correctly. Trip mo si Namora. Tama?
Ako?
Or ako ba?
Wala
Ano ba? Nagmi-mix na yung twin sanity natin, guys. So, for me, this trailer is second most exciting, no? X-Men pa rin yung first ko. Third ko would be Captain America. Thor talaga yung pinaka-lamest for me so far. As in, like, we ended
Walang bago
bad.
kasi dun eh.
Oh, nag-end up kasi tayo bad kay Thor. Tas walang redeeming aspect yung ano eh. Medyo lang na
I mean,
again he's going back to his old self eh, yung parang mas serious. So medyo okay naman yun. Pero hindi pa rin tatalo ng X-Men reveal eh.
yun naman din kasi yung last arc niya sa Love and Thunder eh.
Parang
Basically, alam naman natin magiging father
Tatay,
siya. Alam
father
naman
figure.
natin gusto kailangan niya ng strength para matuto siyang mag-alaga ng bata. Yun din naman ako sa'yo. Yeah, pero ako personally, medyo nabitin ako sa trailer na to. So, even
same.
with the low expectations, parang for a fourth trailer or last pa nga eh. Pero parang okay lang siya.
Ako nakaramdam din ako ng beaten, pero mas may details ka makukuha. Mas may may interesting continuity sa story ng MCU ka makukuha dito.
Yes.
Yun masasabi ko.
Yeah.
So that's about it with Marvel's Number Squad's reaction to the Avengers Doomsday trailer featuring Shuri, King M'Baku, Namor, and Thing, Namora. I hope you guys enjoyed our reaction. If you did, please do show us some love by subscribing, smashing that like button, hitting the notification bell to not miss any future contents from yours truly. Comment down below. You think the location they are in this trailer is Battle World? Doing all this would definitely help us out on our YouTube partner program journey. As you can see, 90% of our audience aren't subscribed yet. 600 out of 3,000 watch hours still a long way to go. So it'd be a huge favor if y'all could help us out for us to be able to continue our passion on creating quality entertainment content for y'all. We'll be covering all the latest updates, character reveals, gameplay breakdowns, movie and trailer reviews, mainly Marvel stuff, so stick around for more. Also, do follow me on my YouTube, Twitch, Facebook, TikTok, and Letterboxd accounts at YKSD Goblicus. It's your favorite Marvel trio here, YKSD Goblicus,
Granny.
Chewy.
and we are the Marvel
We are
Slumber
Marvel
Squaders. Stay epic,
stay
stay
legendary,
legendary, and we'll see you guys on the next video. Pitamawang!